themselves until they meet their day which they are promised.
When it gets to the theological issue, we shouldn't pretend that ISIS's approach to Islam is somehow equally legitimate as other interpretations. In fact, it is a distortion, and they ignore centuries of medieval Islamic tradition. There is a tradition of legal pluralism, of intellectual pluralism from the early days of the Prophet. And if we look at the so-called prophetic model, which ISIS claims to respect, from day one, when verses came down, there was questions of what was God's intent and what was the context in which that verse was revealed. ISIS has no interest in either intent or context. So in that sense, they are violating fundamental principles of interpretation. In fact, they're distinctly modern. They're reacting against things they don't like in the world.
So leave them to converse vainly and amuse themselves until they meet their day which they are promised.